Start to use free Microsoft Visio application available in the Office 365. You may not be aware of that, but Microsoft Office 365 offers the possibility to use Visio application for free. If you will log into the office.com, you will be able to find free version of the Microsoft Visio, which is quite complex solution that helps to visualize the processes and build the diagrams. Remember that Visio available on the Office 365 is the Visio Online. It is a little simplified version of the Visio application. But at the same time, you can visualize the diagrams using the Visio application online without any additional costs. You can build the diagrams using Visio and then save it in your OneDrive or SharePoint. And what is the greatest part? You can publish them on your SharePoint page. When your diagram will be ready, you can save it and decide where do you want to publish your diagram. You can use your OneDrive to save Visio diagram, or you can choose any SharePoint page to do that. To publish the diagram on the SharePoint page, the only thing you need to do is to edit the page and add the file viewer web part. Select the diagram saved on your OneDrive and publish your Visio diagram on the SharePoint page. You can see this is super simple, super easy, and what is most important, free application that you can use on your Office 365. If you were looking to use Visio, free Visio app available on Office 365 is for you. If you like this video, please leave the thumbs up. If you want to get the notification about the new videos, please subscribe, and see you in the next video.